Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid day. Now, yes, there was quite a bit of a pullback here, but still, even with that, where it closed today relative to where it closed yesterday, the bulls still did make some progress. But that brings up the question, well, is there any sort of true power behind today's movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of, knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but the good news is by using charts, like I said, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts. Really makes things quite straightforward. And that level is here at 51 cents. Why is 51 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 51 cents. Any sort of closes below 51 cents, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing in the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price keeps doing what it's been doing. You can see here multiple times the price has bounced right on that level. Good sign. So it does that some more and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. This set of lows would be down here. And if you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do. They progress in the upwards direction. So 51 cents, definitely that key level of support. And like I said, so far so good. The bulls are doing a good job of maintaining, the multiple times the bears try to press down below. Now, if the price does start to bounce, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. First area of resistance with any sort of bounce seems to be quite a bit of here right at that 53 cent mark. So 53 cents, initial area of resistance. If the price can push through there, the next key level of resistance going to call up at that point, and that sits at 55 cents. So 53 cents, 55 cents. Yes, these are areas of resistance up here too, looking back at the chart, but one step at a time, got to cross one bridge at a time. So those first couple of bridges, 53 cents and 55 cents. So interesting day. It'll be interesting to see how this one unfolds the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving.